Siya.
Your wife, you didn't get married. You don't have wife. Oh, you don't have wife. You didn't get
Bawal
married.
eh!
Your wife.
Tangina mo ah.
Lit.
Yung Dapat!
Oh, sige. I will teach you how to play basketball.
Oh? Oh?
Hindi marami basketball.
Oh?
Araw-araw sutukan. Kalbo.
Okay.
Pangit.
Bakit?
Ano rin?
Laro daw kayo, pero kampi na lang siguro kayo. Parang takot siyatan sa'yo ko eh.
Ano tayo?
Ayoko.
Bakit ayoko?
Baho mo eh.
Ano?
Hello?
Ano?
Baho mo.
Baho ako?
Hello?
Ikaw mabaho?
Hindi, magbuhi ko.
Oh,
Eh.
bakit ka talaga?
Hello? Iyak siya guys.
Oh.
Hello? Patay! Nang damage. Hey! Ang tangkad niya kaya ano pa. Hello? Patay! Patay! Hello? Oh, hello? Hello?
Ano sabi mo?
Hello? Hello?
Oh.
Tigas?
Tigas.
Hello? Yes! Galit siya guys!
Sige, sit down.
Sit down ka lang, upo lang.
Anong bansa?
Ang basa, Barangas.
Anong bansa? Country.
Country mo?
Rugby. Los Olympics, Olympic Dalaw!
Yun! Pilipinas!
Oh! Los Olympics, Olympic Dalaw!
Country. Mindanao is province. Country. Anong country?
Philippines.
Oh, walang
Philippines.
wait lang. Walang Tagalog. English na lang.
English daw, English only.
Country.
Country?
Oh.
From?
Hey! From
Where?
where? Where?
Eh, hindi mo lang pala eh!
Nagalit.
Yung Dapat!
Oh, sige, what's your name?
Oh.
Dapat, tulad ako ng 20.
Yun!
Oh, di ba?
Oh. Alam mo naman eh.
Oh, how old are you?
O yan taon ka na daw.
Tulong?
18?
Hindi alam. Ilan?
How old are you?
20?
Hindi. Say.
This is... Guys! Ilan taon ka na? This is... Yan ang coaching.
69.
69 total.
Eh, mali.
Ilan tama na? Kutatan.
Hindi mo alam, ilan taon
Kasi,
ka na?
wait lang, relax, yan tama.
Relax lang kasi nabipressure.
71!
Yun! Dali!
Ano sino no? Ata sino no? Sino no?
You have a wife.
Ata no?
You have a wife.
Meron ka na daw, ano, asawa?
Sa bahay.
Coming soon.
Do you have a wife? Yes or no? Mayroon?
Oh, yes.
What is the name?
Oh,
What's
bakit?
your name?
Agaw ka?
Agaw ka?
Ito, sa pagkuha mo. Manyak ka, bawal yan.
Konti na lang. Okay, can I see your wife?
Wala, wala.
Wala.
Walang picture?
Wala. Bura ko eh.
Give me, show me your wife.
Ata sino no? Wala!
I like your wife. Please,
Ano? Gusto
What?
yun?
give me your wife. Give me.
Tapakto mo.
Ay, soft daw, soft.
Bawal yun.
Bawal yun.
Tama yun.
Baro.
Yes.
Baro.
Yes, ano, mother ng baril.
Ikaw?
Oo, kasi babalin ng mother niya.
Give me your wife in 1 hour. Baro.
No.
Baro, may
That,
wife?
mother, baril ako.
Pabarilin daw siya.
Your wife, you didn't get married. You don't
Bawal.
have wife.
Bawal.
Oh, you don't have wife. You didn't get
Bawal
married.
eh!
It's not your wife.
Tangina mo ah.
You didn't get married. Awak na lang mura. Sit down. Upo. Oh, you have big problem today.
Ha?
Sige.
Patay. Kaya Barrientos, nagubad na.
Sige, sit down. Relax na lang. Kalma. Kalmado.
Alam mo ka lang.
Ano problema? Relax.
Oh.
Joke lang, Oti. Joke, Oti.
Huwag lang. Ako meron asawa. Maganda. Oh, wait lang. I will show you my asawa. Mas maganda si asawa.
Patay.
Ano?
Hoy, maganda na asawa ko dyan. Oh, Lord.
Wait, my asawa is coming.
Coming.
Oh, is dito.
Wala kang pake.
Walang pake? Walang pake? Oh, sige, I will show you. Give me your cell phone. I will show you my asawa. Give me. I will show you. Dito.
Pwede.
Pwede.
I will show you. Meron dito.
Atat no may.
Anong atak no, me? Ano yan?
Lo.
Ano yan, laro?
Laro.
May batang ka. 1v1. I will teach you how to play basketball. Ikaw don't know how to play. Always
Atatalo na eh.
suntukan.
Oh.
Oo.
Oh.
Oo.
Oh.
Hindi marunong basketball.
Oh.
Araw-araw suntukan. Kalbo.
Okay, ito pa.
Pangit.
Bakit?
Paano rin?
Sobrang
Galit siya, guys.
Oo.
Galit siya, guys.
Bakit galit ka? Mainit dito. Sit down. Ano ka na dito?
Ayoko.
Paano namin?
Oo, sit down. Always araw-araw suntukan. Hindi marunong. Ano
Logi.
tayo mamaya? I will teach you how to play basketball.
Ayoko, ayoko.
Ano ayoko? Sige. Are you scared? Sige.
Hindi ka.
Sige, laro tayo. Oh,
Pero kayo mamaya.
laro tayo mamaya.
Kampi kayo, kampi.
Oh. We go 10. If you win, I will give you pera.
Oo.
Oh. Dalawakan?
Oh.
Hindi ka biro.
Well, Bukano.
Ha?
Bukano. How much?
Wala ba natin?
Oh. How much you want?
Ay, hindi mo agad yung titihan!
Walang Tagalog, English. Walang Tagalog, English.
English daw.
How much you want?
Magkano daw,
The
baga?
score. Wait lang. The score is 5.
Oh.
If you have me,
Oh.
if I have
Okay.
5, I win. You, if you have 2,
Asan sino?
if you have dalawa,
Asan sino na? Asan sino?
I will
Suko
put.
siya.
If you have dalawa, you win. Mamaya, laro.
Oh.
If you have a score, win lang.
Oh.
With 5.
Oh.
If you have dalawa, you win.
Oh. Alam?
Me, if I have 5, I win.
Ha? Oh.